Le challenge du jour, ça a été une petite impression que je devais faire.
Today's challenge was a small print job I had to get done on the day. I was asked this morning if I could make a light-up sign to show the direction to Bambu Lab's launch party. I said yes and had to get it all done that same day. The morning was dedicated to modelling. I built the entire model and worked on the laser cutting on the H2D. We then started the machines and the printing. It took about 5 hours of printing. Meanwhile, I was busy with the wood cutouts, so we ended up with a panel combining 3D printing and laser cut wood. And someone else from the team will be installing a lighting system at the back, so it can be illuminated. That way, we clearly show the direction of the evening. There were no printing errors, fortunately, because there was no other option. Otherwise, I don't know, we should have found a solution, maybe post-process it. But luckily, everything came out perfectly the first time. So we're happy. My advice to someone working under pressure to make sure they succeed is to really focus on what you're seeing. To be honest, if you stand behind the sign, it's not as neat as I would have wanted, but I had no choice, so I stuck to the basics. I chose to focus on the front and what was seen, perfecting it as much as possible, and the back, telling myself that people wouldn't see the back of the sign anyway. So I concentrated on the main part and made concessions on the back, because when you're in a hurry, you have to make concessions. Now I just can't wait to see it with the light, because it hasn't been installed yet.